So I'm going to show how to use multiple cameras in Zoom. Right now I have one camera set up and I've got my Zoom meeting. There's my picture that's outgoing from my current camera. Here's the settings for the camera, and then here's my other account that I have incoming. I have it on another computer. So we have two people in this Zoom meeting. And there's my other one, and here's me. I took the camera from the other one to put it on this one. So I have here a Logitech C910 that I'm going to plug into the back of this Mac. I'm using the Mac iSight camera right now, and this is going to be my second one. So I'm going to pause the video while I plug this in. So I have the other camera mounted right now on a small stand, and I have it plugged in and it's working. I had to turn off the background because the green screen wasn't playing well with the camera, but I'm going to fix that. So here, if I change my video to the other camera, you'll see that it's pointing down at my desk. And I like having it pointing down here because if I want to do some math problems, teaching somebody how to do some math work, I can work it out where I can show them how to break down the fractions or whatever. So that's how I do that. And I like having this pad here, or I can show a demonstration like this camera that I'm going to show you how to hook it up in another video. If you click right up here, I'm going to show you how to do several cameras at once, which is really cool. And switch between them much more easily than in Zoom. But that is why I like the document camera type of setup. So let's switch to the other camera. And here we go, there we go. But the reason why I wanted to show you this video on how to use Zoom with the multiple cameras is not because you can switch them between this video setting over here, which takes a little while, and I'm feeding it directly to you. But there's another way of using this, and this is by sharing the screen. So let's do a share screen. And instead of sharing the screen, I'm going to share in the Advanced tab a second camera. And click on Share. And now it's focused down here. Now what you'll see on my screen, let me make this bigger because this is what's being broadcast out to my attendees. And here's the camera that's pointing at me, and my attendees are seeing this. And I'm going to bring in down there in this screen recording window the copy of what's being shown to my audience. So I've got to, I have to set this up to record. Let's record. Now I'm recording the screen as if Zoom were recording it. So now I'm going to add this Zoom recording down to the side so you see what my audience is seeing. So I'm sending out the signal to them, and they're watching the screen, and I can do my thing over here, and I can go up to here to this switch camera button and talk to them directly, and I can switch back. So if I just leave my mouse here, I can switch between the two cameras really fast and easy, very smooth. Just going back between the two. Let's click on that again, and I can do more math. Plus 3/4 equals, well, 1, and so on. So that's an easy way within Zoom to use two cameras, one being a document camera and one being the camera that's mounted on the computer itself, the webcam. My next video, I'm going to show you how I use a program called OBS, which allows me to add even more cameras and switch between them a little bit more smoothly than this button here in Zoom. But if you only have Zoom, this is a great. If this was helpful, please like the video, add a comment on what you liked about it or anything else that you'd like to learn, and subscribe and click the little bell so you find out right away when we post a new video. Happy teaching online. Thanks.